Alright, day 3, new song. This is dedicated to the beautiful girls that I call my friends. I love you girls, and I think you'll like this song. Sometimes I feel all alone. That's when I will pick up my phone and call you to see if you are free to come play. And we'll have ourselves a beach day. A beach day. We can put our bare feet into the sea, and we can finally feel oh so happy, because we know we have all day to stay and make it a long beach day. We can lay and soak in the sun, or we can play with those cute boys who are having fun, and we can drink a full case of beer. It won't matter, all that matters is that we're here. It's so perfect, there's nothing else to say when you're having a beach day. There's something about the beach that makes life sweeter than a peach. So much water, so much sand, makes you feel like you're a part of God's plan. So we enjoyed spending time together. Thank God it was sunny weather. We pack up towels, sand, and